Let me give you some advice. A lot of you buyers are sitting on the fence. You're just watching everything, right? You're on Zillow all day, you're looking at stuff, and you're not calling an agent or getting advice from an agent until you want to make an offer. That is not the way to buy a house. What you need to do is you need to find yourself a good agent. We'd be more than glad to help you. And then what you want to do, stop waiting for sellers to reduce their prices. If you like a house, go out and make an offer. Because here's what happens. Here's what we're seeing in our business. If we have a seller who does an aggressive price reduction, all of a sudden we get multiple offers. And now you as a buyer, you could have been negotiating against one seller, and now instead you're negotiating with 3 or 4 other buyers on the same house. Let's get off the fence, buyers. It's called an offer for a reason. Start making some offers. Get yourself a house. These interest rates are unbelievable. Buyers, you want the best strategy for buying a house? We've been doing this a long time. Give us a call. We'll help you out. Thanks. Bye-bye.